everybody, it's Janine, and real quick I want to go through how to pull the bonus white label funnel and ebook from Jonathan Montoya's program. So I'm going to scroll down here. After you log in and everything and you get to the bonus, you're going to scroll down and you're going to get the step-by-step checklist. Excuse me. So we're going to open the checklist, and it's going to tell you, watch the video, import the label funnel into your ClickFunnels account, copy and download the white label book here, change your links, and then it goes through all of that, where to change them. If you want to be an affiliate for all of these things, then change all of them. I personally have the Breakthrough Challenge. I have the Legendary, the Bluehost, and the Get Response. Because I use GrooveFunnels for my funnel, but attached to that is also the email sequences that he sends. So hopefully that helps you as far as what you need to do on getting the white label ebook and the funnel, and then going through and making your changes. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me a message. Y'all have a nice day.